Hi guys, Monday, April 12th, 2021. Special episode today. I'll be using the Worx blower and edger for the first time. Can't wait to do that. Plus I'll have to cut the grass. It's getting up there. Been preaching about not letting it get too high, so I have to address that right away. Supposed to cut it every 5 to 7 days, but it looks like I'm going to have to cut it every 2 days in the future. So let's get started. All right, guys, let's get you-know-who out of here. All right. Guys, got some music playing in the background. It's okay. A little windy. Beautiful, though. Beautiful. I highly recommend one of these. Highly recommend. Oh, they're coming. They're coming back. Look at them. It's the advantage of getting perennials. These things are coming back healthier, fuller. These are perennials. I still can't tell you what these are. You know the accents are out of here, but I got the got plant support for this plant here and this one, so can't wait till this stuff comes up. Cut the grass because this grass is so wet. But it's okay. Time to edge it now. Ready to bring the secret weapons out. They make my job and my life a whole lot easier. You gotta get one of these, trust me. Simple, by the way, to turn in and everything. You just take the lock off, flip it the way you desire, and lock it in. It's real easy. See, I have it set like this so I can get close to the edge. Stop for a second. Always wear safety goggles, some type of glasses, something. Always. Learned my lesson last year, and I got real lucky. So get you a cheap pair of these if you can. Time to get rid of the rest of the stuff. It's getting there. We got a lot of work to do. But the edging makes it just looks a whole lot better. Oh yeah. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.